Hello, we're back with more Keith in the Streets. I'm here with Kendra, who is the owner, correct?
Correct.
Of Kinnovative Candy.
Correct.
All right, now this is a very unique business, and I told her previously before we got on camera that she's a millionaire Lumi. So for people who are watching and you're interested in some great homemade goods, Kendra's the person you're going to look for. And as you can see on the bottom of the screen, we're having the contact information. I'm giving it to you up front. You should stop the video right now. Take this contact information and look at her products. This is absolutely fantastic. We have to support all of these small business owners. Everybody's trying to get their feet off the ground, and especially people who are taking time out, using their hands, using their craft, and helping you while making a living for themselves. How you doing, Nikki?
I'm well, thank you. How about yourself?
All right, now tell me a little bit more about your business.
Well, I have 100% handmade body goods. Most of my products are organic and pretty much edible for the most part.
Edible body products are always a plus.
Well, one of the biggest things is if you can't eat it, it may be not so good for your skin.
Ooh, that's a little insight. If you can't eat it, it's not good for the skin. But it makes sense.
It does make sense. And one of the biggest things is I started because my son has really, really bad eczema. He was diagnosed when he was about 2 years old. They kept putting all these prescriptions and stuff on him and the creams, and they still weren't working.
Okay.
So I went back to the roots of what my grandmother used to do, and oatmeal baths, different kind of things, and just going into the kitchen. So that's how a lot of my products came to be, especially soaps and body butters. It's mostly shea butter, all natural, different kinds of things like lemon, cinnamon, and vanilla body whip. I also put in my tea.
Okay.
Because it's 100% natural. I don't use preservatives. I don't use fragrance oils. So all the fragrances that people smell are real either essential oils or real actual citrus, real cinnamon.
So you have like this secret laboratory in your home. Am I right?
It's my kitchen.
It's your kitchen. Okay. So it's like home cooking for your skin and your body, correct?
Exactly.
Because everything you said to me, I was just over at the previous table, and they were talking about food, and now I'm back to another table, and they're talking about food. So as long as we're talking about food, I'm happy.
Food makes me happy.
Right.
And
then we convey.
Smell like cupcakes.
And we convey people. I'm the type of person, and I tell my daughters all the time that if you're a woman, specifically, you should always either smell like candy, fruit, or flowers.
Exactly.
All the time.
Exactly. All the time.
You know, maybe it's a guy thing.
Yeah.
We like for women to smell
good.
Good. Sometimes edible.
No comment. However, like my bath, the body butters and the sugar scrubs, they're edible.
They are. And don't forget, you keep looking at this thing. Now, if you're still watching the video at this point and you're not like, hey, let's come on, Keith, you bring on the products. I'm going to bring you on the products in 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look and see what Kendra has.
These are my all-natural sugar scrubs. I have a different variety of scrubs that basically solve different issues. All of them are exfoliating and all of them also are moisturizing. However, I have like a ginger and lemon. Citrus is really good for evening out the skin tone. Ginger is a good like for anti-inflammatory, those kind of things. Cinnamon and vanilla, again, anti-inflammatory.
And so these right here are, they're like for showers, for bathing?
Yep. You take them and you go to the shower, you basically rinse off, scrub down. You can use exfoliating gloves that go along with them, or you can just use your hands, rub them into your skin. Real great for ashy elbows and knees, those kind of things.
Yeah, nothing like ashy elbows that smell like cinnamon and ginger.
Pretty much.
All right.
Also have like this is my favorite aromatherapy one. It's mint and eucalyptus.
Mint.
So when you open it up, it's like eucalyptus and mint surrounding you all in the shower. So it's a really great pick-me-up. My brother uses it on his feet the most because he stands on his feet all day long.
I never thought about that. I would love to have minty feet.
Well, it's not even so much minty, but by the time he gets through...
It doesn't matter. Minty feet. Yeah, I know.
It's like refreshed. They feel refreshed.
Does it smell like you've been working all day? I bet.
It does not smell like you've been working all day, but it's really great. But they like refresh and revitalize the feet, so it's good.
All right, what do we have right here?
These are the all natural wet body butters, and they have basically shea butter, cocoa butter, and a lot of other various butters that go along with it, all basically optimized for moisture. You put it on your skin, and it melts in right away, and it lasts a very long time.
Can I smell that? Mm-hmm. No, I want to smell like you.
Oh, let me? That's the mint chocolate.
It is. It is mint chocolate.
It is mint chocolate.
I smell it. We don't have smell-o-vision, but it smells exactly like mint chocolate.
Awesome.
And that's what else we got here?
I also had a request for other like lotions, pocket size type things. So this is a water and glycerin based lotion.
Okay.
It's just a little hand lotion. Especially like with ladies, they toss them in a purse, something real simple. So go from there.
Oh, all right.
These they are bath bombs. You drop them in your bath and they fizz and explode. Not explode.
These little heart things.
These little hearts.
You drop them in the bath.
And they basically fizz, and all the aroma and everything comes out, and it turns into a bath soap. It's also like a water softener.
Kendra is sounding more and more like the Valentine's Day person. Well, these are great gifts. These are
definitely great Valentine's Day gifts. Yes.
I mean, just not just for Valentine's Day, for birthdays and these are
yes.
generally nice.
Yes.
Do you make baskets? Like if I needed a basket, would you do something like that?
Yes, I can make baskets. A lot of my things are customizable, so if someone has like an allergy to, just let me know, and I can omit certain things. Like some people have tree nut allergies. I can omit that kind of oil from the bath or the body butter or whatever, and still have the same thing.
Wow, this is really fascinating. I mean, so many creative people here, and like I told you, Kendra, I'm a silly guy and I play around a lot, but I'm so serious. These are the type of ideas that make people millionaires. Like I said, you're the right person seeing it away from that happening.
The biggest thing was I didn't come into it to really make money. It was something that I was need for because it helped my son, and I figured it would help more people too. A lot of different research that I was doing. Some really commercial products are really bad for your skin. They may be good in a way, but they bring people out with the artificial stuff and everything else. And a lot of my products too are vegan friendly. Like the candles are made out of soy. So no beeswax or anything like that.
And the prices are outstanding.